Just letting y'all see the potatoes and the beans. These are at Mom and Daddy's. Gonna do another garden tour. My lettuce tower's starting to go to seed, so I'm probably going to end up pulling it out. I'll probably give this to the chickens. Got to work on my asparagus bed and do a little weeding with it. We've had a lot of rain, so it's kind of gone crazy. The kind of weeds trying to take over the strawberry beds. I need to do my rhubarb. It's getting really big. See, the weeds have got back in my strawberry bed, and I just weeded this like 2 weeks ago, and it's just gone crazy again. We've just had so much rain the last little bit. So this will be my project this week, and just to let you see what happened to the second tower that we planted. It fell completely over wind, rain. I'm not sure. It happened after one of the storms we had. So I'm going to repot that. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to do it with strawberries or if I want to just plant some flowers in it just to have some pretty things. Then, just to show you, a lot of our herbs didn't come up. So I'm probably going to try to reseed a few. But the ones that did are doing good. The basil, the Italian basil. Italian parsley. So that's what's growing. None of the rest of them ever did seed out. So I don't know what happened with those. And the chickens are trying to eat my carrot tops, so I'm trying to let them grow a little more in my box before we pull them. They still need a little more time. This is the herb bed. It's going crazy. I need to cut some cilantro because it's trying to run up to seed. But the herbs, I'm telling you guys, with all this rain we've had, everything is crazy. Now, I just planted these the other day, and they are already, it's unreal. The tomatoes. Radishes, I need to get out and pull. Squash is growing. Onions are growing. Peas, I'm afraid it's going to get too hot before they do anything. Cucumbers here. This little bed needs weeding again too from all the rain. This is the rest of my tomatoes, squash, cucumbers, watermelons, cantaloupe, and all that I need to get planted. That'll be done this week. This is another bed we did. Now I had planted cantaloupe or watermelon one here, and they didn't quite make it, so I'm going to try to replant some of these other ones, and I may put in a couple just seed hills when I do that. But these are the beans we had planted. This is where I reseeded. Now look how quickly they've come up compared to the ones we did the other day. And again, every time I get to these, I cannot think of the name of them. I'll leave it on the film when I show you. Again, more tomatoes. Broccoli's gone to seed. I'm just going to let the rest of it seed out, and I'll save the seeds from that. Cabbage here. That bed's got to be weeded to put the other tomatoes in. Asparagus. And then I've got a lot of weeding to do from all this rain we've had. If you can see my lavender, it's heading up and blooming. I'm so excited. And guys, this is my mulberry tree in the backyard. I love these things. When my dad he used to have his carpentry shop, there was one growing when we were little, and I love to eat those things. But just let you, if I can get it to focus. There you go. They're seedy, but I just love them. Good and sweet. Hopefully I'll get a few more before the birds get them all. So good. This is my Tequila Sunrise Dahlia and my lilies that are in this tire. It's snack time.